Okay, so people, guess what time it is? It's baby time. I'm gonna drive her over there, but it's baby time, we think. I've been having, I'm sorry it's so dark. This is our one little light up there, and I know I'm like so dark. Oh, there. So, I've been having contractions since Friday. I've been having contractions since Friday, and today's Sunday. Today's Sunday, November 5th, and I wasn't gonna go to the hospital to get checked out or anything because I just didn't want to be bothered. Plus, I didn't want to, you know, not be pregnant anymore, and a whole bunch of other emotions. But I've been having, today, Sunday, I've been having a lot of pressure, and I'm just like, I feel like she's coming, like, this is it. So we're gonna go to the hospital, get checked out, and see what they say. And if I am dilated, they're gonna take the baby because I am scheduled C-section. So, yeah. If not, then this is just a test run, and we are gearing up for baby anyways. And well, we've never been this packed up where everything is in the car and stuff. Well, yeah, so yeah, last time it wasn't a test run, it was just my foot. So I'm gonna go. Wow, this man is either drunk or yeah. So I'm gonna go buckle up and breathe through these contractions. Ooh. So I'll see you guys later. I'll keep you guys updated. Stop. You're gonna make me dizzy. Stop.
Click that upstairs button.
Up. We're going up, right?
Yep.
I feel like I have to walk though. I don't
recording?
I don't want to sit. Am I? I don't know, Roberto. No. Ooh. Alright, I gotta go. He's over there trying to figure out how to snap up my gown. This is hilarious. I don't know, honey.
I got it.
You got it?
Try it out.
Is that it? Okay.
Maybe.
Alright. Let's see.
This one's right. I don't know.
You got it? You sure? You sure you got it, honey?
Try this one.
Okay.
Does that feel right? No. Struggling.
Look at this. Look.
Nah, I got it. Because last time it was here, it was already snapped. All you had to do was just put it on.
He is seriously struggling over here. My lips are so dry. It don't feel right.
Did you bring the Coke?
No.
Damn it, that was in the car.
Yeah.
It's very far.
Let me go finish, take my clothes off. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're hooked up to the monitor. And we're going, so we shall see. So far, I haven't had any contractions since I've been here. Isn't that weird? You get here and there's no contraction. I'm still having a lot of pressure in my back. So, we shall see. I'll update you guys later. Good morning, guys. So, nothing happened last night. Nothing. We went to the hospital. We got hooked up to the monitor. And literally, as I got to the hospital, the contraction stopped. And this nurse lady, she made me so mad. She was like, "Are you having contractions?" And I was like, "Yeah." So She goes to shake my belly. She's like, well, you're not having a contraction right now. Doll, I know what a contraction is. You know, but she was treating me like I don't know what a contraction was. So they basically monitor me. I think it was, what? I think it was 10 minutes. My husband thinks it was 20 minutes that I was on the monitor, but like I told them, I said the contraction stopped as soon as I got. So, yeah. I'll catch up with you guys later. So, I haven't picked up the camera all day. It's his fault. So, he's taking me to my 37/38 week appointment. Could be my last appointment. But, yeah. Could be my last appointment because I don't feel, it's hard to drive 45 minutes to go to my appointment. So, could be my last appointment. I don't know. I'll see if he'll make this my last appointment. If not, then next week will be my last appointment. And then next Saturday we have our scheduled C-section. So, yeah. So we are going there, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna check me and all of that. And I'm so, like, look at my eyes. They're like puffy, like super puffy, and I'm tired. So exhausted. I'm just so frustrated, and it's like, oh, you never know when you're in labor. You don't know what's false, and then to have scar tissues and stuff, it makes it even more worse and scary because you never want to take a chance. And yeah, so yeah, so we're going to my appointment, and I have to make my 35 and 36 week bump date, and I think those are gonna be the last bump date. I really don't feel like, excuse me, I really don't feel like making my other bump date right now. I don't feel like it. Oh my gosh. Oh, baby. And then yesterday, tell me why the nurse, guys, tell me why this nurse had the nerves to talk about, well, if your labor get worse or if your contractions pick back up, just come on in. Lady, we live an hour and 15 minutes away. You think my husband is gonna want to drive an hour and 15 minutes away because you were too lazy to keep me on the monitor long enough to see if my contractions would pick back up? No, it's okay. If my contractions picks up, I'm not even gonna worry about it unless my water breaks. That's the only way I'm coming back in here. So goodbye. Goodbye. So yeah, anyway, I will see you guys once I get to my appointment. I have no makeup on because my stuff are in the back of the car still. I still haven't unloaded my things. The only thing I'm gonna get is my makeup bag out of there, and everything else is staying in that car. Like, that's it. That's the car we're gonna take on Saturday, and everything is just gonna stay there. I'm not even gonna unpack or so. Yeah. Anyways, I'll update you guys and see what's next. So we'll see you guys in the next clippy clip. My lips are so dry. That office was so hot. I felt like they were baking us. So everything went well. He checked me again, and of course cervix is still high up. He can feel the head and everything. I'm not dilated at all whatsoever. So everything is still scheduled and set for the 19th. So we will see this little girl on the 19th, unless my water breaks, or he's like, if you start bleeding or anything like that, then go to the hospital. Other than that, these contractions are very much not doing anything. He was like, you're just probably dehydrated, drink water, what we've been doing. But yesterday we freaked out because it was like, contractions started on Friday. The contractions started on Friday and they lasted all the way till Sunday evening when we got to the hospital, which was the bizarrest part. So I mean, everything happened for a reason, because it, you know, on Friday I was only 37 weeks, and I had gone in and he just, you know, made the decision to take her, and he could have taken her and her lungs are not developed. So everything happens in life for a reason, so I'm thankful. So we will see baby girl in 12 days. So that's it. I'm not recording anymore of this false labor. That's what happens when you get pregnant. You go through false labor and you drag innocent people along with you, because so, but it was good because my husband was able to be off to take me to my doctor's appointment, which I would have to go to tomorrow, and the kids are out of school because tomorrow is election day. So I'm thankful for that. So my very, 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 very last appointment is on Friday, babe. We're gonna have a take-home baby, do you think?
Yeah, I hope so.
We're having a take-home baby. Finally, after Tuesday is our last appointment, and it's on our 10-year wedding anniversary. And when she gave me the appointment, I was like, oh my gosh, that's our wedding anniversary, even though we're not doing anything because I'm very pregnant. And Madison is going to be born on the 19th. The boy's birthday is on the 20th. So everything this year is kind of like revolving around this little girl, which I wouldn't have it any other way. I wouldn't have it any other way, so I'm thankful for that. So anyway, this is it for in terms of update on that. So I will talk to you guys in our next video, which should be, everything should go back to normal after this. So I will see you guys then. Bye.